Salibonani bangane. Welcome to our 18th lesson. Learning Ndebele. Okay, so in our last lesson, lesson 17, remember what we're talking about? We're talking about months of the year. Izinyanga zomnyaga. That's right. So in Ndebele, a month is called inyanga. Okay? Now, here's one thing. When you speak of inyanga in Ndebele, you're not only talking of one thing, which is the month. Okay? It could mean a range of different possible things. And that's the spirit of where we want to start off from today in our lesson. Izinyanga is the plural for inyanga. Inyanga can mean the month, but primarily the word inyanga means the moon. Okay? So the moon is called inyanga. So whenever you see the moon in the sky next time, just say Nansiyana inyanga. Okay? Nansiyana is a way of pointing to something demonstrative. Okay? Nansiyana inyanga. Inyanga in that context being the moon. But it can also mean the month, because the month, the timing of the month or the period of the month, it takes after the period that the moon takes. Okay? The cycle of the moon. All right? And then the moon also refers, not the moon, but inyanga also refers to a traditional healer, what is generally known as a traditional healer. Some people want to call them a witch doctor or whatever, but there are different types of izinyanga. In Ndebele, you get to learn that there is a whole range of, different classes of traditional healers or izinyanga. We'll talk about them later on as well. And then we will not delve into the other meanings of inyanga. But it, like I said earlier, it brings us to the point of where we want to start off from today. So lesson 18 is going to be a revision of part of what we've already covered, which leads us to the next lessons where we want to talk about vocabulary, different types of words, different meanings in different contexts. Okay? And then as we go on in that spirit, you will find that guzoba lit. That's a very popular statement you will hear Ndebele speakers using. Guzoba lit means it's going to be lit. It's going to be nice. We're going to enjoy. We don't want it to be boring, a classroom kind of presentation all the time. We're going to be getting into the field, looking at different things, naming them, talking about them. We're going to go and board a combi and we find out the vocabulary that's used there and how to order food in a restaurant and so forth. So now going forward, we're going to be considering different vocabulary. Okay, so fasten your seatbelts and remember, practice everything that we learn. Enjoy.